Hello everyone, I hope that you all are fine and doing well and taking care of yourself. Today we are having our next English conversation session, and today we are going to learn some of the telephonic statements. Telephonic statements means that when we are on a call, जब हम किसी से कॉल पे बात करते हैं, so what are the basic statements that we speak? तो कौन से basic statements होते हैं जो हम बोल सकते हैं? Okay, so the first is like, if we have picked someone's call and we are not able to see that who is this speaking, हमने किसी की कॉल है, हम नहीं उसे पहचान पा रहे, so how we will be saying, hello, who is this calling? Hello, who is this calling? If you are calling to someone and you know that you are unknown, अगर आपको पता है कि आप unknown हो, so आप उसको बताओगे, आप you have to introduce yourself first. Like, hello, this is Riddhi speaking. May I talk to? Hello, this is Riddhi speaking. May I talk to? क्या मैं इनसे बात कर सकता हूँ? Sometimes we have to keep the call on hold. हमें hold पे लगानी होती है, if we are doing something. So how we will say, hello, can you hold on a moment, please? Hello, can you hold on a moment, please? When we have talked to someone and if we are not, if he has told his name or her name and if we are not able to recognize them, so how we will say, sorry, I'm not able to recognize you. Sorry, I'm not able to recognize you. If suppose your friend has called on your number and if your mother has picked the call and if you're not at home, आपके किसी फ्रेंड ने आपको कॉल करा, आप घर पे नहीं हो, आपकी मदर ने उठाया, सो व्हाट योर मदर कैन से और व्हाट यू कैन से फॉर योर ब्रदर और सिस्टर, लाइक ओके, आई विल आस्क हिम टू कॉल यू व्हेन शी गेट्स बैक. ओके, आई आस्क हर टू कॉल यू व्हेन शी कम्स बैक. जैसे ही वो आती है मैं उससे कहूँगी कि वो आपको कॉल कर ले. Like this, when you are ending up the call, so you can say thanks for calling, yeah, thanks for responding, it's nice to talk to you, or it's nice talking to you. Okay, so these are the basic telephonic statements that you can use in your daily life, because telephonic conversations are an integral part of our life. हमारी calls होती रहती हैं, so you should use these things there. Okay, now there are some vocabulary words also which you can use. Like, first is certainly. Certainly means definitely. Why not? Certainly I will do it means surely I will do it. Next is opportunity. Opportunity means when you get a chance, when you get a good chance. So opportunity. Like this. Next is willing. Willing means when you are so much interested to do something, जब आप कोई काम को करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड होते हो ना, करना चाहते हो, that is willing. Like I am willing to talk to you. मैं आपसे बात करने के लिए बहुत इच्छा रखती हूँ, एक्साइटेड हूँ. नेक्स्ट इज passion. Passion means when you are having a great interest in something. जब आपको किसी चीज़ में बहुत इंटरेस्ट हो, आप उसके लिए you are crazy now. That means that you are passionate about something. Next is exactly. Exactly means correctly, means right like this. So we can use these words in a daily conversation. Okay, so rest we will meet in the next class. Till then, practice them.